Alright, peeps. So, Christ, I just woke up. Thanks for joining me for another one. I know it's been a while, but life has changed a bit. You know, so must have roll with the punches. Well, not really roll with the punches, but that's what I'm gonna say, right? Just I find myself back in my usual stride, and as such, it's kind of hard to do YouTube at the same time. But woke up this morning and said, you know what? Me I do one regardless. So yeah, Kalado. Yeah, the one year. Mommy, I'm still your good little Christian son, okay? Do not take this song and think say me broke out totally. Alright peeps, so you know if you already like, share, subscribe. My review is new Kalida here. I don't even remember what it's. Yeah, TightMiddleGyal. Yeah. We'll go ahead and review this right now, but you know exactly what I said before this. Music is my drug. I love getting high, and that is all I need. So let me just go ahead and deal with it on here. Alright, let's see what's up with this one. Alright.
Music on the chart.
My sister will be there, Wally.
Back it up, you know back from body. Back it up, you know back from body. Bad man a fucker, me no intend to suck. Bad man a fucker, me no intend to suck.
Welcome back, Ras Reviews. Welcome back. I miss this so much. All the boys come back. Yo, some boys came up same time. My God. Jesus Christ, did you see that? Yo.
You tighten all your middle and you know how fi wine pandic. Wine pandic. You tighten all your middle and you know how fi wine pandic. Wine pandic. Show them the wine that will make you.
Come on. That's our actually place with the little boom box, you see me? I make every girl broke out. Yo, you always have them girls that doing them, I love them, your friend. The one that is second here, like any bit of music, they start bubble and carry themselves. And you say, alright, cool, you hear one, Like, like with me, it's cars. If me one car drive past right now, I'm gonna take off the headphones and I'm gonna listen and try to figure what type of car it is. Yeah, some girl, the second they hear some music, you see them just, it's like them just want head top same time. I could have ended the market. I love them. Anyways.
Man, breed ya. Show them the wine.
Oh God. Yes. God, thank you. Thank you. So, when I see this, you want to see that tattoo, yeah? Oh God, I know I'm not gonna hear a word of this song, and I don't care. I can't blame me.
Wine that will make your man breed ya.
It's like she has a butterfly on her ass. When it shakes, it flaps its wings. Oh God Almighty, yes.
Good day, come back. The girl you can't work. Bend down, look behind you, see how your man work. That bad body you make good girl convert. Not drop off a dickens spoon on in your dirt. A million a pound in your tongue work. Pants and jeans string up in a concert. Me never know me baby can rap. Stand tight, there you feel but I don't crack. You tighten all your middle and
I always used to sit down and think, I wonder which superpower would I want. More than whatever I can have. More. Yo, I want to have a boombox where make every girl just go crazy, just go mad, just lad. Jesus Christ. I'm happy. This is how I wish to start my morning every morning. Thank you very much.
you know how you wine pan dick.
You know about that tight enough.
You tight in your middle and you know how to wine pon dick. Show them the wine that will make your man breathe, yeah, breathe, yeah. Show them the wine that will make your man breathe, yeah. Sit up high, the way you sit up tight. No more fi proof.
What she have on? Kalado, thank you, my G. Oh, what she a do up there, so? Oh, God.
Me get up pint, sit up high, the way you sit up tight. See the Kenyan baby, take a check. This a dead, boss a one, stick a bit. Some
Does she have
bitch a
anything
take, boss a
on?
nine. With a take, she a try, quick a neck, just a one. Cigarette, baby, me no stop loving a sweet wine. Beat a bit. You tight in your middle and you know how fi wine pan dick.
All I've heard thus far is tight in the middle and wine pan dick. I see two crackers and mackerel dash out, and that's it. I have not heard another word. Oh, I'm here, breathe you. God damn it, where are these girls though? Where them? My sister, of course, me. So Michael, really, you sound like a womanizer. Really, Michael? Yes, Lasana, really. Oh God.
Wine pan dick. You tight in your middle and you know how fi wine pan dick.
How she do that? She not afraid to drop off. Wanna give them people your health insurance and put them video? Alright, life insurance rather. Life insurance. Say yo, you go wine, and if you drop off of the ceiling and broke your neck, your family are go alright. They might get one car, they might get one $2 million. Them do this because she had this without fear. Oh my, but oh God, I love this.
In your middle and you know how fi wine pan dick. Wine pan dick. You tight in your middle and you know how fi wine pan dick. Show them the wine that will make your man breathe, yeah, breathe, yeah. Show them the wine that will make your man breathe, yeah.
All with God, look. I get company. More company.
Wicked about me Birmingham girl.
Yo.
So me ready for them girl a wood.
Okay, me think I she take it for me. Either she or tree girl. I don't even. I was looking and I wonder which ones are here. Kalado. Just send her. You know, just tell her I say Ray. You see that look there? Christ. God. I see. Are you? And you, yes, you.
Yes, master.
Oh God, I see. Okay. I suppose it.
B music on the track.
I want brother. They are all the vibes, you know. I tell you something, just I tell you about the artist man, see my pass out them man, right up the road him living on. Remember good no man? Yes brother. Yeah man, I read them there, I listen with Kalado man around 9 piece then just peel off a while ago brother. Remember good no man, it look like a radio station tap up. Big up yourself artist, remember me tell you say anywhere there in the world, me I listen to them right now.
Yo. I am done for the day. I'm done for the day. I am done for the day. I'm done for the day, peeps. You know, if you already like, share, subscribe, peeps. Jesus Christ, Kalado. Why? Why you do that? Why you? We can't satisfy, no? Hold this.